What's up, everyone? So, you're cutting the cord in 2026 and you're stuck between Hulu Plus Live TV and DIRECTV Stream. Both promise to replace your cable bill, but here's the thing, they take very different approaches. And after comparing pricing, channel lineups, DVR capabilities, and real world performance, I'm going to tell you exactly which one you should pick based on what you actually care about. But before we dive in, if you find this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future comparisons. Alright, let's get into it. Overview. Quick context. Hulu Plus Live TV gives you 95 plus channels plus Disney Plus, ESPN Select, and Hulu's entire on-demand library, all for $89.99 a month. It's essentially 3 streaming services in one. DirecTV Stream offers 4 tiers ranging from 75 channels at $89.99 up to 150 plus channels at $124.99. No bundled streaming services, but way more channels if you go with the higher plans. Both work without contracts, both have cloud DVR. Sounds similar, right? Not quite. Price and value. Let's start with the money. Hulu Plus Live TV is $89.99 for the base plan with ads, or $99.99 for no ads on demand. For that price, you get Disney Plus and ESPN Select included, no extra charge. That's huge. If you were paying for Disney Plus separately, that's $10 a month you're saving right there. DirecTV Stream, $89.99 gets you their entertainment plan with just 75 plus channels. To compete with Hulu's channel count, you need the $94.99 choice plan with 105 plus channels. And if you want the big channel lineup, 140 to 150 plus channels, you're looking at $124.99 a month for the ultimate or premier plans. No bundled streaming services, just live TV. So, on pure value, Hulu wins for most people. But hold on, there's more to this story. Channels and sports. Here's where it gets interesting. Hulu gives you 95 plus channels, including all the major networks: ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, FX, CNN, solid lineup. But here's what's missing: AMC, IFC, BBC America, and most importantly, regional sports networks. If you're a hardcore sports fan who needs to watch your local NBA, NHL, or MLB team, Hulu only has patchy regional coverage. You might get some games, but not all. DirecTV Stream? Their choice plan, $94.99, and higher tiers give you access to 30 plus regional sports networks: Bally Sports, Yes Network, Spectrum Sportsnet. If your local team plays on one of these, DirecTV is basically your only streaming option. YouTube TV dropped most RSNs, Hulu doesn't have them, DirecTV kept them, that's their killer feature. So if you're a diehard fan of a local team, DirecTV Stream is worth the extra $5 a month. If you're more of a casual sports viewer who just wants ESPN and national games, Hulu's got you covered. DVR. This is critical. Both services offer unlimited cloud DVR storage, which is awesome. Your recordings stay for up to 9 months on both platforms. You can record as much as you want. Here's the difference. Hulu lets you fast forward through ads on recorded content. Live TV and on-demand shows still have ads, but anything you record, skip through those commercials. That's a game changer. DirecTV Stream also has unlimited DVR on all paid plans and lets you skip ads on recordings. But here's the catch. If you're signing up through certain promotions or as an existing customer, you might only get 20 hours of DVR unless you upgrade for $10 a month. So, new customers signing up directly through their website get unlimited DVR free. So just make sure you're signing up the right way. Bottom line, both have great DVR, but Hulu's is simpler and more straightforward for everyone. Simultaneous streams. Hulu Plus Live TV allows 2 simultaneous streams on your home network. That's not great if you have a family. You can upgrade to unlimited screens at home for $9.99 a month, but out of the box, it's only 2 devices. DirecTV Stream gives you unlimited screens on your home network right from the start, plus 3 streams when you're outside the home. Way more flexible for families. No extra charge. If you've got multiple people watching at once, DirecTV wins here. User experience and interface. Hulu's interface is colorful, modern, and recommendation heavy. It's constantly suggesting shows from their on-demand library, which is great if you love that side of Hulu. But it can feel a little busy, and some users say navigating between live TV and on-demand content isn't always intuitive. DirecTV Stream feels more like traditional cable clean grid guide, channel numbers, straightforward DVR playlist. If you're coming from cable and want something familiar, you'll feel right at home. It's less flashy, more functional. Alright, so which one should you choose? Go with Hulu Plus Live TV if you want maximum value. 95 plus channels plus Disney Plus and ESPN Select for $89.99 is unbeatable. You don't need regional sports networks. You love having a huge on-demand library alongside live TV. You're a casual sports fan who just wants ESPN and national games. Go with DIRECTV Stream if you're a serious local sports fan who needs regional sports networks. You want a bigger channel lineup, 105, 140, or even 150 plus channels. You have multiple people watching at the same time and need unlimited home streams. You prefer a traditional cable-like interface. Here's my take. For most people, Hulu Plus Live TV is the better deal. You get way more value with the included streaming services, a solid channel lineup, and unlimited DVR. But if you're a sports diehard who needs those RSNs, DirecTV Stream is worth the premium. And that's the real breakdown. If this helped you decide, hit that like button, subscribe for more comparisons, and drop a comment below telling me which one you're going with. Links to both services are in the description. Catch you in the next one.